Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming requirements. Windows 11, 8 GB RAM, and virtualization enabled in BIOS. Once done, update Windows and sign into your Microsoft account so the store and optional features sync. Make sure developer mode is enabled in settings for developers. This unlocks subsystem capabilities. Next, open optional features and add the virtual machine platform and Windows subsystem for Android. These first actionable changes prepare your PC to accept the Play Store components. Now you install the subsystem and Google components. First, get Windows subsystem for Android, either from the Microsoft Store or a matching M6 package. Install it and launch once to create its environment. Then obtain a compatible G-Apps package for your WSA build and extract only the necessary APKs. Use ADB from the Android SDK platform tools. Connect to WSA, push the framework and Google Play APKs, and install them in the correct order. This sequence integrates Play Store. Finish by opening the Play Store and signing into your Google account. Grant runtime permissions and let Google Play services update as required. If apps crash or the store won't open, reboot the Windows subsystem for Android or the PC, because many fixes are resolved by restarting the container. Make sure virtualization remains enabled and your WSA build matches installed APKs. If problems persist, collect ADB logs, reinstall the correct G-Apps set, or remove and reinstall WSA to return to a clean state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.